Hello everyone. Here I provided my website on engineering equipment maintenance. The website was created to assist junior mechanics in their field to assist with the maintenance induction process for engineering equipment maintenance. The site can be useful for anyone who's inducting equipment into the maintenance cycle, but the primary focus is on the junior mechanic who may not have that senior leadership to assist them in performing his duties. I've created bits and pieces to the website to make it entertaining to some and make it useful to others. I've created my Vokey by adding a former president of the United States. I like the way his head turns when I move the cursor of the mouse from side to side. That's great. Let's see what he has to say.
Hello everyone, I'm Ronald Reagan. I want to introduce you to my site on engineer equipment maintenance. I hope you enjoy. Some people spend their entire life wondering if they've made a difference. The Marines don't have that problem. Semper Fi.
Not bad. Well, we heard what Ronald Reagan had to say. He's always had something good to say, and he actually made that quote about the Marine Corps, so I thought I'd throw that in. I've also created a small video just to show you what my website is all about, and let's hear a little piece of that.
Hello everyone, I'm retired Master Sergeant Stephen Essex. I created a website to assist the junior engineer mechanic with the skills necessary to oversee the maintenance functionality of any organization. The website can be helpful to any mechanic regardless of rank, responsibility, or experience. I created the website to assist the junior mechanic that might find himself in a maintenance facility without the leadership and experience needed to perform all required maintenance tasks. While working for the Field Supply Maintenance and Analysis Office, I would occasionally come across a unit that lacked the experience and skill required to properly oversee a maintenance facility. This is by no fault of their own. It's a manpower issue. The website will hopefully provide some insight to assist the junior mechanic who finds himself filling the bill of both the junior and senior mechanic. Hopefully this is not something that we run across on a regular basis. But we do, we better be ready. Hopefully my website will cover the basic questions needed regarding induction of equipment into the maintenance cycle. For further guidance and instructions, please refer to the Equipment Owner's Manual and to all Marine Corps orders and directives related to the task at hand. Thank you for watching. Semper Fi.
That's a quick down and dirty introduction. It's about a minute and a half, so hopefully I didn't put you to sleep. And that's kind of an overview of what my website is all about. Of course, with any website, we've got to have our theme music. This is my theme music, and since Marines and myself are like Superman, I thought we'd use Superman as a theme music. I created a professional development piece. What I created, I think, 6 different slides. I talked about how to create the Vokey for your website, upload any video to YouTube, how to create a podcast using Vlogit. I've had a lot of great experience with Vlogit, and I use it quite often. Embedding the video into your website, and using Camtasia. I think all these are helpful tools if you want to create your own website or PowerPoint presentation even. The equipment induction piece is the base of the website, which refers to inducting equipment into the maintenance cycle. I provided a couple of publications that can assist you with that. Went over some notes here of the importance and the process of inducting equipment. Kind of went a step by step, showing the different steps that you can use to induct equipment into the maintenance cycle. And I've also embedded a video to show you the processes that relate to the steps themselves. Under the equipment repair order, that's the first step in inducting equipment into the maintenance cycle. The unit would create or generate an equipment repair order and submit that equipment repair order to the maintenance shop for induction into the maintenance cycle. I went over some do's and don'ts as far as the equipment repair order is concerned. Instances where you may not need it, such as the hour in labor is less than 0.3 and the total cost of all parts is less than $25. I've added a instructional video to show you the steps necessary for completing the equipment repair order process. Once this equipment is received by the maintenance shop, they will go ahead at that time and perform a limited technical inspection, which we call an LTI, which is basically going to go ahead and do all your checks and balances over the equipment that was inducted into the maintenance cycle. So primarily you're checking to find out what the major defect is, and also to find out if there are any additional defects that you need to worry about. That way you can order the correct parts and get it fixed or corrected the first time, instead of bringing it back to the maintenance facility sometime down the road. The equipment repair order shopping list or transaction list, or as we call it in the field, it's called the aerosol. It's basically it's a shopping list where you list all parts you're going to need to repair that particular defect. Whether it's an engine crankcase or pulley or even an oil filter or tires, any parts that you have to order to repair that equipment, you'll put that on that aerosol. Once those parts come in, you'll go ahead and sign them off on the aerosol that the parts have been received in the shop, and you won't perform any repairs until all parts are received. Once again, a video was created to show you the proper steps for filling out an equipment aerosol. Some of the other parts to the website is parts of the website I originally created, which talks about some news information, other resources you can use to assist you with your particular job, different facilities, how to fill out a proficiency quality deficiency report using Merit, LogCom, Syscoms, and GCSS Marine Corps, all major functions of the maintenance facility or maintenance functions, and they are a great tool to assist a junior mechanic if he has any issues or questions. I've also have a frequently asked questions section and a maintenance form to assist a junior mechanic as well. Basically what you have here is the down and dirty of the website. I think it's great. I think it can be useful.
Check out
and sometime down the road, I hope it'll help that junior mechanic get over the hump. Thanks for watching.